Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome to my new house. It's happening.
I am so excited. I am so happy that I was able to vlog this entire process for you guys, and I'm gonna take you all through literally everything. There is no like as such flow. I was shooting as and when, and right now I'm actually sitting in my new house. So you all have already gotten a sneak peek, but then I really want to take you all through the behind the scenes and just talk a little about my journey here in Mumbai when it comes to renting houses. So I came here in 2021, and since then I have shifted 4 times, and this was my 5th time. So technically I've shifted like 5 times in 5 years, which is crazy and not normal, but I just cannot stay in a place and I love moving. I think initially I crashed at a friend's place for like first few months, and then I got a house with 4 5 other girls, and it was like a 2.5 bhk, and I took the point 0.5 room, which costed me 11,000 a month. It was in the middle of a fish market. It was so traumatic, and just the experience with those girls was not the best. And then my mom came to sort of visit me, and she was like, what are you doing? You can't stay here. It was actually really bad. That entire area was not a vibe. It was not that safe. And then she shifted me into this really good building, and I found 3 other flatmates, and they were so good. 2 of them were my friends. One of them was someone I found online who turned out to be such a good friend to me now. Nandini is her name. And yeah, then we lived in a building in BKC, which was also closer to my college. And that time I had my own room. Everyone had their one room, and that room had a balcony. It was on 13th floor, and it was such a good time. That house was so good. It was so big. It came with all the appliances, and I remember like going to the gym because the building had amenities. And I was living in BKC, and all my friends were around, so I think that was such a fun time for me. I really like was all out. I was partying. I was having the time of my life, and I was going clubbing, and it was fun. It was like a fun time. I was also going to college. I was near that, so that was good. Eventually I had to shift from that house because all the people decided to leave and go for further studies. So then I shifted really far. I shifted to Malad. Okay, I'm gonna tell you all, right? I was there for 3 years. I'm talking about my last house, right? Like I loved the house. It was good and very big, very spacious, very aesthetic. But then I did not like that area at all because there was nothing to do. I could not walk. There were no like as such cafes around me, and the kind of lifestyle I liked living, I really wanted to just be out and about, but then it couldn't happen there. And all the time I was just like a bit sad that I have to spend so much time in Ubers, I have to spend so much money in Uber. But then I knew at the time it was serving its purpose. First year I lived with my flatmate Nandini, and then she moved. Then 2 years I lived all by myself, which was also such a rewarding experience. 100% I would recommend, totally worth it. I have already made a video on living alone and why it's important, so you can definitely check that out. But that happened, and then eventually I think things just happened, and then now we are here. I have moved into a fun neighborhood, which is Bandra. I've always wanted to live here, so touchwood, I'm so happy that I've been able to do this for myself. Okay, so now when it comes to house hunting for this house, I started back in June and July. I was doing it on and off.
It is giving cozy. The washing machine area. Wow, guys. What the hell? Guys, I think there's space for a walk-in closet. Oh my god, yeah. This is like a walk-in closet. No, this is a walk-in closet. That's crazy. I liked it.
Okay.
That's it.
I knew my requirements, so I wanted a 2 BHK. I wanted it in a new building, ideally an untouched flat. I wanted some sort of amenities and just a good, modern, nice, well done house. And I wanted it in and around Bandra. And yeah, these were like my basic requirements. I was also looking at 2.5 and 3 BHKs. And not gonna lie, this whole house hunting process kind of gave me a shock because the rent prices in Mumbai are significantly high. Like if I compare it with like last 2-3 years also, they've just shot up, drastically, and I wasn't expecting that. But then I feel like eventually things just figured itself out. I think I looked at some really good houses. There was this one 3 BHK which felt like my dream house, and then I looked at some other houses in some other, new buildings, old houses, new houses, some antique houses. There was this one house which had like a staircase inside of it, and there was like a proper sea view. That was so cool. But then the house was really old and the neighborhood was not safe at all, considering that, I wanted to live alone. So eventually I ended up finding this house. I saw it for the first time and I literally knew that this was it. And yeah, I think I ended up finalizing it in the next 2-3 days, and now we are here. A few tips though, if you're house hunting in Mumbai, definitely check out No Broker and Magic Bricks and all these websites. And the minute you start seeing them, people are just exposed to your phone number, and then all these brokers start reaching out to you. Definitely try to give them like a proper bio data, because they ask for it. It's so lame. Like they'll ask for your religion, if you're a non-vegetarian, vegetarian. I know it's really offensive, but then that's how it works here. You have to pay brokerage to the broker, which is going to be a 1-month rent, and then you have to pay 3 months of rent as a deposit to your owners. And how it goes is that you just ask, like you give your requirements to the broker, and then he will send you options, and then you go around, you visit them, you ask for basic things like, how are the maintenance gonna look like, how are the owners, how's the house done, electricity, water, if there are any leaks, if there are any issues with the house, with the walls, how's the guard, if it's a gated society, if the lift is working, if there are lifts, because like a lot of old buildings don't have lifts. And I know a lot of you all come here for college. Of course, look for a house near your college, but I feel like Andheri and everything after Andheri is a bit cheaper if you compare it with like these main neighborhoods like Bandra, Worli and all these places. And even the eastern line like Chamber and then Andheri East, Marol, all these areas are also cheaper in terms of rent. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I think it's a very taxing process. I'm not gonna try and romanticize it because it takes a lot from you. It's really exhausting, but you figure itself out. I think eventually when things align for you, they align for you. And I would say if you're trying to start your housing journey in Mumbai, you will have to start small. That's why I started this video with my, journey and explaining it, because I also started really small and now I'm here. So I feel like if you're on a budget, don't worry about it. You'll figure it out. It's always smart to have flatmates. It can get chaotic, so try to have flatmates who who are your friends, so it's fun then. That's what I did when I initially moved here. And yeah, that's it. Enough yapping now. Let's get into the main video. We are going to start with like an empty house tour. It is 28th of July. It's 2:53 p.m. right now, and we are going to get the keys to my new house. I am so happy, I'm so grateful, I'm so excited, and I should quickly book my Uber and get going. I have to reach there by 4 o'clock. And I'm also gonna meet Anayata. I told her, can you please like come with me? And she was like, of course, because it's a big deal. Tanisha is not here and even Ruhani was busy, so I was like, I really need my people around me when I'm getting the keys to my new house. And my mom's gonna come tomorrow, but yeah, right now we're gonna go, and then I'm gonna give you all like an empty house tour, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, welcome to my new house. We are doing an empty house tour. This is my living room. Absolutely amazing. We also have a balcony. Come, come, come. We are gonna blur the view. So we have a balcony. Lovely. Let's go back in. Now we have the kitchen. Please come. Gorgeous white cabinets. Ooh. Whoa. I didn't know it happened like that. That is so cool. So modern. We love it. We have a chimney. Comes with the house. We also have a stove, which will come eventually. More cabinets. A lot of more cabinets. We have drawers here. There's a lot of storage in the kitchen. And now, here's the space for what? Refrigerator and washing machine. And now, we're gonna enter in our bedroom. Come, 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 come. It is so pretty. Such a pretty big master bedroom with a gorgeous view, big windows. We have duct AC. It's so cool. We love it. And yeah, I don't know how will I figure out the bed and whatever, but should be fine. And then the washroom, which is inside the bedroom.
Oh, hi.
Hi. We have a beautiful shower area with partition and yeah, little storage, a mirror, and now we go to the second room, which is gonna be like my closet. Hello, welcome to my walk-in closet. We will have my wardrobes here. We have my vanity, and yeah, nothing major, just like a glam room. And then the washroom in this room is so good. It's bigger than most of the houses in Mumbai. It's such a big mirror with like a backlighting, and then we have a shower space. It is pretty big. We love it. And that is it. I am so happy and so excited for this new chapter in my life. And love Anayata for shooting that. Okay. Yay! It's happening. Day 1 of shifting. My mom is here. We are moving some boxes to the new house.